let us start the concepts of national income one by one. Number one, gross domestic product. What is gross domestic product? Gross domestic product is the final value of goods and services produced in an accounting year in the economy. The value of final products only should be considered in the calculation of gross domestic product. In gross domestic product, four words are considered. Number one, the gross. Gross means, the prefix gross means that depreciation in the value of final goods has been already included. Second term, domestic. Domestic means the final goods and services are produced within the domestic territory of the country, no matter whether it is produced by the residents or non-residents. It must be produced within the domestic territory. Means the value of final goods and services is only be included in the calculation. And final market price. Fourth word is market price. Market price means the value of final goods and services are calculated at the market value. Net domestic product at market price, that is NDP at MP. Net domestic product at market price means that the value of goods and services produced within the domestic territory, and the net value will only be considered. Here depreciation will not be considered. So while we calculating NDP at FC, we have to deduct depreciation from GDP at MP. That is NDP at FC equal to GDP at MP. NDP at MP equal to GDP at MP minus depreciation. Gross national product at market price. It is a wider concept than GDP at MP, because in this the net factor income earned from abroad will be included. That is, when we add net factor income earned from abroad, that is in short NFIA, if added with GDP at MP, we will get the GNP at MP. Now let us consider, when NFIA is negative, then GNP at MP will be less than GDP at MP. When NFIA is positive, then GNP at MP will be greater than GDP at MP. When NFIA equal to 0, then GNP at MP must be equal to GDP at MP. Net national product at market price. Net national product at market price, in short NNP at MP. It includes the net value of goods and services produced by the normal residents in an accounting year. It is calculated from GNP at MP, that is NNP at MP equal to GNP at MP minus depreciation, and NNP, the another formula, NNP at MP equal to NDP at MP plus NFIA. Till we have considered the concepts of national income related to market price only. Four concepts we have studied. We will consider the national income at factor cost at FC. that is gross domestic product at factor cost. Gross domestic product at factor cost is the sum total of all factor products, that is rent, wages, interest and profit, plus consumption of fixed capital, equal to gross domestic product at factor cost. GDP at FC equal to GDP at MP minus net indirect taxes. The second one is net domestic product at factor cost, that is NDP at FC. In this, we will include all the final value of factor of payments, that is rent, wages, interest and profit only. So NDP at FC equal to GDP at MP minus depreciation, another minus NIT. NDP at FC equal to NDP at MP minus NIT. NDP at FC equal to GDP at FC minus depreciation. Now the third one is gross national product at factor cost, that is GNP at FC. It is a wider concept, that is national concept, that is why in this NFIA is included. So GNP at FC equal to GDP at FC plus NFIA. Another formula, GNP at FC equal to NP at MP minus NIT. Let us consider the final concept of national income, that is net national product at factor cost. It is actually called the actual national income of the country. It is the final value of all final goods produced in the domestic territory by the normal residents of the country. So NNP at FC equal to NDP at FC plus NFIA. In this way, we have considered all the 8 concepts of national income. Thank you.